Hey guys, for today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to change your chat theme in Instagram. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to customize it a bit. So go ahead and go to your friend or anyone. I don't have any friends on this account, so I'm just gonna go to a random person and message them. So now, to edit the chat, you're gonna want to go to their profile at the top here. And if they're your friend, you're gonna be able to see a theme button right here or right here. Go ahead and tap on that and you can choose from the many themes that Instagram has for you. So you can go ahead and select one and it's gonna immediately change the theme of your chat and it's gonna look good. It's gonna customize it and that's pretty much it. But do remember, they have to be your friend and that's all. It's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.